Hey pretty people, welcome back to Shasta. Today I am doing a new thing called Makeup Bingo. Nikki Tutorials created this and I'm just going to tell you how it goes if you haven't seen her video. Um, so, this way and this way is bronze, which means I'm going to do little to no makeup. All my least favorite products, if I have them, are going to be on this, and it's not going to be good time. Then this way and up and down, it is
silver.
So, like, in the middle, not base, in the middle, not really my favorite, but not really a bad foundation, like that. And then this way and this way is gold, so I'm going to use basically my almost favorite foundation, all my favorite things to use, almost my favorite. And then this side is glitter, so this side or this side will be glitter, and that I can use my absolute favorite foundation, my absolute favorite concealer, my absolutely favorite everything. So if you are interested in this video, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so we are going to use this bingo number generator to figure out what I'm going to have. So we are going to start. So we don't have the number 8. So we're just going to keep going.
Seven.
We don't have the number 7, so we're going to keep going.
13.
13. We have 13, and it is this one right here. So it could either be bronze, or it could be possibly the making for glitter. So I'm just going to check it off. We got 13. Next,
6.
6. We don't have a 6.
12.
12. We don't have a 12.
24.
Don't have a 24.
15. 22. 1.
Okay, so we have a 1. And that is means for a silver or a gold. So
4.
we have a 4. So it is means for a glitter and a gold.
16. 14. 26. 2.
We have 2. So there it is. That could either be gold or one of the glitters. Or bronze, because it's in that row. So
23.
alrighty, I think we got a glitter! Okay, so just to make sure, 13 was called, 23 was called, and 4 was called. So 13, 23, and 4, which means I can use my favorite things, which is actually what Nikki Tutorials got to do. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty, pretty cool. So I figured out what I'm going to do. I did a little twist. Instead of doing all the things I like to do, I actually, because it wasn't going to be as interesting, so I asked my boyfriend, who then asked his father what look I should come up with, and they said goth. So I guess we're going goth today. You know, we're wearing black a little bit. Why not? So I am going to first go with this shade right here. Let me just put that where I put my eye primer. Just to get it ready for what I'm about to do. I'm really just about to go in with black. So the rest of this is going to be like a speedy, quick through with some music on it, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Alright, I'll see you soon, party people. Alrighty, party people, everything was done, slayed, beat, everything. I went for a little bit more dark today, which was a great idea. If you liked Makeup Bingo and you wanted to do it, then go right ahead. Actually, I want to tag Nicole. I want to tag Denny Gons. I want to tag Jessica Paris anyway. And I want to tag Pals Lives Life. So, and anybody else can do this too. So, don't feel limited that you can't do it, because you can. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time on Chat Style. Bye, pretty people.